Fitzpatrick, if he takes care of football, you have to like Tennessee chance. Yeah, but Matt McGloin, Coach Matt McGloin, you done a great job releasing.
I know that's right. That Minnesota kicked a tying field goal. It was 26-26, about 3 minutes and 49 seconds to go in the game, and they will kick off to Green Bay.
Now it's really sudden death.
Now it's really sudden death, right.
All right, hey fellas, games that have impressed you from the early slate so far, up or down?
Philip Rivers and how he played in that game, and just to know that you have a quarterback like that, you have a chance to come back at the end, and the throws he was making for his team to have an opportunity to win. And that, they had to win this game because they had to stay in the race, and they did what they had to do.
How about the Carolina Panthers? Now, they did not play great at all today, but Cam Newton stayed in there, hung in there, and they got the win against.
That was a big win, bro.
It was a huge win for them.
No question about it. All right, we'd like to welcome those of you back here to the Subway post-game show. And back here in Studio 43, James Brown, along with Dan Marino, Coach Bill Cowher, Shannon Sharp, and Boomer Esiason, and a full slate of games to get you caught up on. Let's start with the shootout in Kansas.
Now, what a game this was, guys. I tell you, the Denver Broncos are sitting home and saying, oh, thank goodness that San Diego did us a favor. As you can see right now, Alex Smith and Philip Rivers toe-to-toe, back and forth. They want each of these guys through 3 touchdown passes. Philip Rivers right here, 3rd and 2, just a soft touch, right over the middle. And I mean, where was the defense for the Kansas City Chiefs? We've been talking about their defense all year long. We said, oh, you know what? They're going to be playing some pretty good quarterbacks. The second half of the season, they were victimized. Right there, Alex Smith comes back, puts Kansas City in front. And how about this throw? 2nd and 15, 30 seconds to go in the game. Philip Rivers, what a pass, what a throw, what a renaissance season for Philip Rivers. Take a look at these numbers, guys. 392 yards, 3 touchdowns, no interceptions. And of course, Jamal Charles had a monster